Hi, Zach Bassett here with COS Accounting and Tax, doing another video for the Compounding Interest podcast. This one's going to be on solar. I think this is a big one. The future is renewable energies, and people want to know, when is it worthwhile to actually get solar? So I'm going to show you that, in my opinion, it's basically worthwhile at any income range, but it's just much more worthwhile if you're at a certain income range. So basically, if you're in the 0 to 40K range in income, it's going to be questionable because you may not get the solar tax credit, right? The solar tax credit's awesome. It's 30% of what you spend on the system. So like, I got solar on my house. I did the Tesla Power Pack and everything I possibly could, and it ended up costing $30,000. Of course, did I have to pay $30,000 for it? Absolutely not. They checked my credit, ran it through. I got a loan for $30,000. Now my payment is $100 a month. I think it's $105. But $105 a month. And then what does, people think, well, I'm going to be paying that plus my bill on my electricity. No, it wipes out your electricity bill. So before that, I was paying $125 a month for electricity. So obviously, right off the bat, it's going to save me money monthly. So we can wipe that out. This is the new number that we're going to pay. Every company is going to be different. The amount you pay, it's depending on how long your loan is, that type of thing. So it could be a little bit different. I chose for the longer length loan, did a 15-year. So at that point you're going, okay, well, to me, this is worth it. If it's going to take away my electricity bill and even save me some money every month, that's automatically worth it to me, especially since I'm a big believer in renewable energies. I want to be able to drive my Tesla Model 3 up and plug it into my solar system and be able to handle a power outage, a month-long power outage, or multi-year long if, say, something crazy happened. Well, that's what you can do with the solar system when you have a Tesla battery pack. You can actually continue to just run off of your home completely off the grid for years and years if needed. So that to me is just a really cool concept, a great idea, and I think it's the future when it comes to electricity. So, but people want to know, oh, well, I want that tax credit, right? Because I also got a 30% tax credit, which is $9,000. So that's a non-refundable tax credit. So non-refundable. And a lot of people get confused by that. They think, it's non-refundable, so it's really not going to help me. Well, that's just not the case. It can actually increase your refund by, maybe you're getting a $4,000 refund and you make $50,000. Well, the refund that you're getting is because you have the earned income credit. Or something else. So when you add this non-refundable credit on top of it, it's going to increase your refund by up to $9,000. It might be $3,000 that year, and then $3,000 the next, then $3,000 the next, but it flows forward. So you don't need to worry about it if you don't use it in the current year. Just let it flow forward. That to me is awesome. Now I know I'm not, if I make in the 70K range a year, I'm gonna basically have no taxes due at the end of the year for a year, 2 or 3, depending on other, all other factors. But I know that it's gonna be a really good tax outcome for me those next 3 years. Now, if you make, if you're making $41,000 or more, you're pretty much going to guarantee yourself that you're going to be able to use that credit over the next few years. So in my opinion, it becomes a no-brainer to do solar. Every single house that can possibly have it should have solar, in my opinion. It's going to save you money monthly, or you're going to come through at a wash. You're going to increase the value of your home, and you're going to have renewable energy and a great tax outcome. So increase value of your home by 3 to 5%. And it doesn't matter. If you're going to sell your house in the next few years, that's fine. Whoever you sell your house to, you have them take over the payments on the solar system. I mean, it's not a hard concept there. So, yeah, in any situation, super valuable to do solar. It becomes even more valuable if you're making over $41,000. So, definitely keep that in mind. It's another one of these things where it's just, if you're not doing it and you make good money, you're throwing money in the garbage. It's absolutely just costing you money for no reason. You can have this set up and done easily. In Utah, and look below to see the other states that that Legacy Power works with, but I recommend Legacy Power. I was going to write it sideways, but let's not. I'll write it up here. So Legacy Power, I found that they are the best to go through. They've got really good panels. Pricing is good. Installation is great. You really want to make sure you're getting those good quality panels and not just run-of-the-mill or low-end. You want to get as much as you can for the money that you are spending. Why not? It's going to last longer and just be better and get you more power. So Legacy Power is awesome. Check out the link below and fill out the fillable form if you'd like a free consultation on it. If you do end up getting set up on this through us, you're going to get a $500. We get a referral credit for you doing it. We're going to turn around and give you the $500. So another way to just add even more benefit to this. So yeah, highly, highly recommend it. Check out the form below, get it filled out, and yeah, hope you enjoy the video. Thanks.